The Abuti Syllabus presents Setswana, isiZulu, isiXhosa, and more. Caps compliant, caps compliant.
Just press play.
Play.
Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Finally, we can teach African languages in a fun and very enjoyable way.
It's so much fun! With the Abuti language learning software, the Abuti Syllabus board game, and the Abuti talking doll.
Lereo la lenao ke eng ka Seesemane? Go siame ke foot. A lo siame go opela le nna?
I love that I can just facilitate the lesson. I don't need to speak the language myself.
Say hello vir die kinders. Vandag leer ons werkwoorde. Hoe sê ons om te loop? Baie mooi. Dis Gotsamaya.
Project ya Abuti e a khatlisa.
Nna ke rata Abuti thata.
Are you ready, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stand. Sit. Walk. Sleep. Jump. Speak.
What I like about Abuti is there's a workbook, animations, songs, there's a teacher's guide, everything included in this fantastic product.
It's very interesting, very easy to learn because now the children learn while they are enjoying the whole program. I think it's the most important thing.
Itse mareo a diruiwa tsotlhe tsa mo dipolaseng. Sala sentle Abuti, tsamayang sentle ba.
Let Abuti do the teaching.
Let Abuti do the teaching.
Let Abuti do the teaching!
For more info on the Abuti Syllabus, go to abutisyllabus.com. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Dance.